welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna be doing school. So my name is Miss Uni.
My name is Rainbow Dash.
And I'm gonna be the teacher. So I'm gonna be teaching Rainbow Dash and you guys some strategies to do math equations. Okay, so pick a number between 1 and 10.
2.
2. Alright. 2 plus
3.
2 plus 3. Do you know what's 2 plus 3?
5.
Oh, good job. So, everyone, 2 plus 3 is 5. Let me do a good, quick strategy for you. So, this is 2. And now we're going to put 3. So, count everything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, everyone count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, now it's 5. So, your hands represent numbers, and there's 10. And if you do 2 tens, that's 20.
This uni is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, and 2.
Correct. So now we're going to do another strategy. So, pick a number between 1 and 20.
5.
Okay, good. 5 plus 6. Okay, so what, do you know what it is? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're going to do a strategy really quick. So everyone know what's a math team? Close. So everyone, do you know what's a math mountain? Do you know what it is, Rainbow Dash? Okay, so I'm going to teach every one of you to a math mountain. So let me teach you a math mountain. So first, you have to make a triangle. So this is like a mountain and rocks are falling down. And then you make 5 dots on this side and 6 dots on this side. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Now we write 5 dots and 6. So now we count everything. Ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2.
No, count them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good job. So it's 11. So now we write a box, a mystery box, and then we write 11. So from the mountain, 11 dots are falling. Look at this. Now we're going to do another strategy. That's super cool. Now pick a number, 2 numbers between 1 and 9.
11.
No, wait. No.
2.
Okay, 2. So act like you don't know this, okay?
And 5.
5. Okay, don't count. So do you know what this is? Or no?
6.
Close. You were super close. So we're going to draw a mystery box. So this is 2. So we're going to draw 2 dots. And 5 dots here.
So big.
So this, we need to make a 10. So how to make a 10? We need...
I know.
So now we need to add extra number. Now what number should we pick?
6.
6. Okay, 1 more dot. So how do we make 10?
7. Is it 7?
Hold this. Now we need a bigger number. Okay, so now let's pick an even bigger number, okay? But still up to 9, okay?
Okay.
So pick one number. 8. 8, good job. Okay, so that's 6, 7, 8. So now we have to make a 10. How many do we need to make a 10? What is 2 plus what equals 10?
15?
Oh, that equals 17. Okay, now let's count time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need 8. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. So now we circle this whole thing. And then we put it here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 plus 0 equals what? Since this is 0, now what is 10 plus 0?
10.
Good job! So Rainbow Dash guessed it right. So this is an easy way. You just add 2 or any number, and then you add this number, and then you add it here. But this is only for numbers under 1 and 9. For 1 through 9. So now we're going to do one last equation or strategy. And these strategies you could teach it to your family and friends. So what strategy? Oh yeah, okay. So I'm going to pick two numbers. 11 plus 16 equals. Okay, so now we're going to draw 11 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Plus 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now we're going to add them together. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So, what is this? So 27, right? Did you count all these dots? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
So what is this?
27.
So that's all we're going to learn today. So I have something special for you. Just wait here. Big board, please show us something special. Whoa! What is this, guys? Wait, this looks like a sea sparkle mermaid.
Mine says happy birthday cake.
And there's even a oh so pretty panda. And a birthday cake and a mermaid, sea sparkle mermaid. That's the one I got.
And then mine, I got birthday cake, and then there's sprinkles, there's glitter, and then I think 2 packages of glitter.
And this one has pearls, seashells, and it has heart glitters. And it's a mixed slime kit, and there's 1 pack of pink glue. So now we're going to see what it is, and then we're going to open it. Are you excited, Curly?
Yeah, I'm so excited to open this slime mix and set.
So we're going to get this open. It looks so cool. I really want to make it. Let's try it.
This looks like real sprinkles.
Whoa, look at these pearls. Look at this heart glitter and these seashells. And look at the slime base.
I got the slime base, and I got the
star glitter.
star glitters, 2 of them, and then the sprinkles.
So we're going to open these and mix into this, and it's going to turn into slime. So now let's open this thing. I got it open.
Me too.
Now let's crack it.
Whoa, it's so cool.
It's not sticky. Wow, look at this. It's already slime. So now we're going to make it even cooler by mixing these ingredients.
I'm gonna put the dun, dun, dun. I'm gonna put the glitter first.
Now we're gonna make a little bowl.
I need
And
this
let's try it.
sprinkle.
Whee! Look, it looks so cool.
Whoa, Cherry, look.
Whoa! They're so beautiful. Now we're gonna try this pearl.
Whoa, guys, look at the sprinkles. It feels like it's only sprinkles. So now,
These are so cool.
I'm gonna mix it up. So it's all sprinkled. I think that's it for right now. Because we're gonna get more.
Here, I can open it. Don't open it like that. It's easier like this. You're opening like a chip bag.
Oh, Cherry, they're so cool.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Now try the pearls. Like this, a chip bag. Now let's try it.
It's not coming, Cherry. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Got it.
No, sure, Cherry. Sure.
Thanks.
Oh, the pearls.
Wow, they're so cool. Now we're gonna mix them.
Glitter. Whoa. Make sure to put it on your slime.
Whoa!
My glitters.
Now let's close it and try and mix it with the closed cap.
Okay. Whoa, the glitter. Now let's put the Letter Star white package.
Whoa! It's so pretty! We're gonna mix it.
Oh my god, that was easy.
Whoa! Look at this, guys!
Whoa, guys, look at this pile of glitter.
Oh.
Ow.
Now it's
Wow, I love touching. It's so soft.
so good. It feels so good.
Whoa, I'm gonna mix it all up so we could do it all.
Look at this, guys! So cool. Now I should make a bubble. Hello! It's gonna fall. Hello! Pop, 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 pop.
Let's mix it so it's all so pretty. Whoa.
They're so cool.
Whoa. I took my slime out. Mine looks so glossy, right, Cherry?
Yeah.
And yours looks kind of glossy too. And your stuff looks pretty on it. Wow, looks so pretty, like a mermaid color. Let's mix it all in so it's all blended. Oh, beep. I need all this.
They're so pretty. Whoa! Now let's try and make unicorn poop.